Unboxing my iPhone XR. Yay. Okay, XR. Okay, here we go. Yes. Oh, red color. Red color. Oh, look at that. This is my iPhone XR. Oh, look at that. Red color. I have a pen. I have an apple pen. Okay. And this is my connection. Okay. This is my earphone. Okay. Oops. And this is my USB cable. That's good. See, so this is my new iPhone XR. I hope you like my video. Please watch my video and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. So I will put back all the items of my new iPhone XR, and I will use it in a while. So here we go. Okay, I will switch on this iPhone if this is okay. Oh, look at that. My new iPhone XR. Okay, oh. Come on. Here you go. Hello. So look at that. See? Red color. And hello. This is German. Hello. Bonjour, French. Japanese, I don't know. Chinese. Ni hao ma. And hello. Okay, so this is my new iPhone XR. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video too. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.